Hold up, 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 hold up. Right now, I call you.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is a review on this hair, you guys. Like, we about to get into this hair because, like, we're about to get into it. I've been wanting to do a video review on this company for a while. I've seen quite a few YouTubers actually purchase their hair, and they've had actually good reviews about the hair. So I was like, I'm gonna purchase it to do this 60s theme that I'm going for right now on my Instagram. And y'all follow me, Rebelliouscurvess. Description box, y'all see the link. So let's get started with the shipping and the issues I had when it came to shipping with this company. Well, let's even start off with the website. So first of all, when it comes to this company, I had a lot of issues trying to purchase on the website. I don't know, and like I said, I tried multiple times to try to purchase on this website, but for some reason it would not allow me to purchase. Now I don't know if it was, you know what, I don't think it had anything to do with my cards, because I tried 3 different cards and it's still giving me issues, and I've had the issue before for quite a while. Now the thing is, when you use their website, they go through PayPal, so I don't know, it just gave me so much issues. It was a point where I was gonna just say fuck it and give up. I ended up using one of my, I think I used my boyfriend's card to make this payment, and it eventually finally went through. So I don't know what's so wonky about their checkout, but it gave me a lot of problems. And PayPal, I don't think it was PayPal because I've used PayPal before, but that's just step 1. I mean, well, that's just issue number 1. Now, upon finally being able to purchase from this company, then I actually ordered, maybe it's in the box. I'm gonna take a look at what I really ordered and what I got. Is it in the box? I think it is in the box. Nah, it just tells me what kind of, it was from Klaiyi. But no, so I ordered a 18-inch frontal wig. As you guys can tell, lengthwise, this is not 18 inches, because I know like some of the companies are having issues right now due to the fact that they're not being able to purchase lace. I think they get their lace from Korea, and I know there's been a lace shortage right now. So they reached out to me, which is dope that they actually reached out to me. They reached out to me and they told me that they did not have my wig available. First of all, why would you not take the wig off of the site if you didn't have it available? So they told me that they didn't have the 18-inch lace frontal available. And would I be okay with having I think they said a 4x4 closure wig? And for the look I was looking for, I couldn't do a closure wig. I needed to have a frontal. So I told them, no, if you guys don't have any frontals, are you able to give me a 360 wig? I'll take a 360. So this is a 360, you guys, which that's a whole nother, that's hell in a whole nother video. So they told me they can give me a 360, but it would be a, I believe they said it would be a 16-inch or a 14-inch. I think this is a 16. Or is it a 14? It's giving me a bit 14ish, but I think it is a 16, which I wasn't too happy about it, but I had to take it because I was in a crunch. I needed to take these pictures, so I said, okay, fine, I'll take that. Well, at least, and I told them, can you at least speed up shipping for me, since you know this is an issue, you guys is your issue. They did. They were nice. Customer service was on point. They sent me what I needed, and they sent me the wig, the 360 wig, 16-inch or 14, can't remember. And what I will say off the bat is that the wig is great quality. It is very soft. It did not shed. Yeah, it still doesn't shed. I have I actually have colored this hair. Let me get a little closer so you guys can kind of see where I cut, if you guys can see it. If you see some of the hinge of blue in here, I actually colored the hair. The goal was that I was going to have blue highlights, but it did not work out, unfortunately. I didn't like how the blue came out, so I decided to go back in and I dyed it black. Now, the hair took the blue pretty well. It did not take me dyeing it back black. So I actually had to bleach it, then do it blue, and then it changed. Now I'm gonna put some pictures of how it looked when it was blue up here. I'm also gonna probably enter the video somewhere also about was you guys seeing how it was looking when I was bleaching it. So it does take color pretty well. It didn't take me dyeing it black, because you can still see some blue here, and you'll even see like some green in the back. Because when I try to make it blue, I used 2 different blues that end up turning the hair green. My mistake. So it comes, when you first get your package, it comes in this dope little box. Now I don't know if it's pronounced Klaiyi. Look good, feel great. A little instruction manual on how to apply a wig, which is kind of dope. I think that's pretty cool. Prepare your hair, laying it down as light as possible, apply the wig. Now, it comes in a bag just like this for your hair. Oh, it was a 16-inch wig, you guys. Comes in this bag. They do give you a elastic band if you want to sew it in yourself. And they give you a wig cap. The only thing I did not like about the wig cap is that it was not this color. It was actually black. Which, why would you give me a black wig cap if even the instructions on the back says it's blonde? Which I kind of like a little touch of stuff like this, because it makes you feel like you care about the person you're giving us this package. If you're giving us, you know, some wig caps, so we don't got to go to the store. I was assuming that it was going to be a blonde wig cap, and I didn't have any more wig caps. And then when it was black, I was like, oh shit, I gotta go to the store to get blonde wig caps. But the hair took, if I had to, and I've bleached a lot of hair. If I had to pick a company that the bleach took well, this company, the bleach did take very well to the hair. It turned it blue. When I bleached it, it bleached it pretty well. It didn't burn it. The hair is very silky and soft. It does not give me any shedding. As you guys can see here, I curled it right here. It's with a large barrel, and it takes curls well. I have it in a little ponytail right now, but it takes curls well. I flat ironed it. I've curled it. At one point I had it as a side part when I went to California recently. So it takes, I've been wearing this hair for almost, I would say 2.5 weeks now, and it doesn't give me any problems. The lace is not bad at all. If I had to rate this company a 1 out of 10, I would definitely give this company a solid, I give it a solid 8. Like, I don't feel like you shouldn't purchase from this company. If you need something on the go, and the shipping was pretty fast. They got it to me quickly, like they said. I would definitely recommend this company, guys. I am not mad at it. Like, it was a little vibe, y'all. It was a little vibe. Y'all see that? Ooh! It was a little vibe. So that is my review on Klaiyi hair. I would definitely purchase again from this company. Hopefully they handle the lace issue. But yeah, I would definitely get this company again. I don't have any complaints. So yeah, so that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And you have a wonderful week. Bye.